There was a guy in there just talking and talking and talking. I'm saying, looking at him like, your droplets is flying everywhere. Don't nobody want your droplets on them. What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? What is up? So, y'all, it is Sunday. I'm starting the vlog off late. It's about 1:07 or something like that. I got out of the bed late this morning. I said my prayers, watched a couple of YouTubers. Y'all, please watch Ryan So Banshee. He had me rolling this morning. And I love it when I can laugh. It kind of made my morning because I love to laugh. But yeah, so I am up. I'm about to do some laundry and do some cleaning and getting myself together. I hope y'all are doing well and staying safe. I got to clean my room and I have to finish uploading the video that needs to be uploaded for tomorrow. I'm going to take a picture so that I can post on my Immaculate Life social media page, which brings me to make sure y'all go and follow me on Instagram at Immaculate Life and Immaculate Impressions. It is supposed to be some type of wintry mixed snow thing going on here. And so it's got a little something going on. I'll show y'all in a few. But y'all, we went yesterday and we went and got some food. When I say those stores are taking out, they took them stores out. Like there was nothing in there. But I have a story to tell. So we're in the store, you know, I'm taking my son to work, but I wanted to stop at the store before I dropped him off so that he can help me with a couple of things. So we get in the store and I'm like, do we have this? Do we have that? So I'm like, okay, do we have ranch? Because y'all, ranch is serious in my house. I don't know how it is serious, if it's serious in your house, but in my house it's serious. So I'm like, do we have any ranch? And he was like, yeah, we got ranch. I'm like, okay, cool. So I'll give me a pizza because, you know, my plan was to dip the pizza in the ranch. But anyway, so we do the shopping. We put all the stuff in the cart. I mean, in the cart. We get to the register. We check out and everything. Get home, drop him off. I'm like, ooh, let me put this food away and put my pizza in the oven. Y'all, put my pizza in the oven. I turn on the TV because I decided to watch a little bit of, you know, HBO Max and whatnot. Sitting down, waiting for the pizza to get done, and did. And I cut my pizza up, put it in the plate. Excuse me. I go sit down because, you know, I'm going to watch my little movie. Y'all, please tell me why it was less than half of ranch. When I tell y'all, I was so upset, and I'm like, it's supposed to be a snowstorm. Ranch is not having ranch. It's not that's not good. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, there's no ranch because I like to dip it. You know, I like to do the dippage thing. It was enough for me to have to do my pizza, but y'all still, pizza was slamming. The pizza that I had was like fajita, like the fajita cheese pizza. I'm going to clean up, get myself together, take a shower, put me on some loungewear, so I can take me a quick picture in my living room and post it on social media. And I'm thinking I'm gonna do lunch. I haven't decided. I think I'm gonna do a turkey wrap because I bought some stuff for a turkey wrap. And then I'm going to do, y'all, I don't know if y'all tried those PF chain. But I've had these veggie egg rolls, and y'all, they are so good. These are banging, so good. Really, really good. It comes with a sauce. You have to throw out the sauce, but it's really, really good. And then y'all know what I did. I went and bought me 2 of these. Y'all know it's about to go down. If I get this, it's about to go down, y'all. Anyway, y'all hear my son, he making cheeseburgers. And let me look, y'all see. He making burgers. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my day started and get things together, and I will get back. I'm gonna start my laundry first, and then I'm going to find me something decent to put on so I can take my quick picture. I'm going to upload my video, and I will be seeing y'all. Something going on with my lash. Something going on. What's happening? But anyway, I'll see y'all soon. So y'all, I just put I decided to do the egg rolls. So I went ahead and put those in the oven. And while those are in the oven, I'm about to sit down and watch a little YouTube, and then I'm gonna come back and get those out of the oven, and I'm gonna show you y'all. They are so good. I mean, really good. So, and then I'm going to take a shower, get relaxed, and just sit on my couch for the rest of the day because I done cleaned up my room. I did the bathroom, and I didn't want to do a whole thing where y'all see me clean the bathroom. Because y'all seen me clean my bathroom before. But if y'all want to see it again, just put it in the comments. But I am going to, I am getting ready to make sure the kitchen is straightened up, living room, so I don't have to worry about that later. And I'm going to show y'all what the weather look like, because y'all, it's really nasty outside. I'm gonna let y'all see. Hold on 1 second. So y'all, look at this weather. I mean, it's so cold out here, y'all. Look at the ice on the trees and stuff. This is stay in the house, stay under the cover weather. Y'all, when I tell y'all it's cold out here, it's colder than a polar bear's toenails. Cool. Let me go back inside. So y'all, I am back. So I got a lot done today. I was able to wash my clothes. I'm sorry, I'm in the dark. Let me turn this on. I was able to wash my clothes. I cleaned the bathroom. Of course, cleaned my room. I wanted to do a reel, so I was able to upload my reel. Y'all, them egg rolls, I'm telling you. You got to check out those egg rolls. They were so good. But anyway, I was trying to get a picture with me lounging because it's a snow day and I'm home and I'm relaxing, but I just couldn't seem to get the right picture. So I just did like a thing for my Insta story. If I saved it, I will put it in this video and show y'all what I did. But anyway, I just, what else did I do today? I'm getting ready to make me a turkey wrap because I still want my turkey wrap, and that'll be it for the night. I'm off tomorrow as well. And if it's not as bad outside as it is today, I may run out to the beauty supply store. I have to pick up some hair for a client for Tuesday. So I may do that as well. But anyway, I'm going to end this night with me making my wrap. I'm not sure. I don't know. I may end it with me making the wrap. But anyway, if I don't, I'll be seeing y'all in the morning. So what's up, y'all? So I am back next day. I'm about to run out and run some quick errands. And I just have on, I'm casual today, you know, having my silver accessories. I'm gonna show you what I have on, what I'm wearing. But it's just something basic, nothing too extra, because like I said, I'm just going to the beauty supply store and then I'm coming right back and I'm taking my son to work. And that's it. So I already sprayed my perfume. So the perfume that I'm wearing is Valentino. It is this one. Y'all, this smells amazing. This is everything. I have on my MAC World Lip. You know, it's my favorite lipstick. And then, yeah, so let me just take you to the mirror real quick. I have on my God is Dope sweater. It's actually my first time wearing these leggings from Amazon. They call them the TikTok leggings. With a white polo tank, Ralph Lauren polo tank. And have my jewelry and the sneakers that I'm wearing. Y'all seen one of my previous vlogs. This is my first time wearing these. These are the Pumas, black and white. They got a little leather to them. So I might throw on my leather jacket just to kind of make it, because I know it's still cool outside. But yeah, so that is what I'm wearing. Perfect for today. Yeah. What y'all thinking? Perfect, casual. Yes, let's do this. Let's go. What's up, y'all? So let me turn my heat down. I am back at the house. I took my son to work. I went to the beauty supply store, got a couple of things. And I stopped at the grocery store to grab some stuff. I just grabbed something like some bread, and because I wasn't able to find any bread the other day. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and close out the vlog. But I want to say something real quick. Y'all know I try not to rant. But I have a little issue with people that don't want to wear their mask. No, not just that. People that want to stay next to you in line. So my thing is this. Why are you so close to me? I don't want you next to me. If you don't want to wear a mask, I have no problem with that. Just don't stay next to me. Don't have conversations without a mask on next to me. Don't do it. You know you're not wearing a mask. You know you can look at me and tell I don't want you next to me. And you decide to stand next to me. So now I got to give you the dirty look. Don't stand next to me, especially if you don't want to wear a mask. My other thing is, if you're not going to wear a mask, I don't even understand why stores are allowing people to come in the store without. You know what? Just don't stand next to me. I'm not even gonna get into all that. But my rule is, because everybody has their own rule. My rule is, don't stand next to me. Plain and simple. Don't stand next to me. I love people. I love being around people. But with everything that's going on, I don't want what other people got. I don't want what's in their system. I don't want it. So my thing is, just stay away from me. The other day I was in the grocery store. Y'all, the other day I was in the grocery store, right? And I was taking stuff out my cart. The people didn't have a mask on, but the kids I couldn't even get myself out my cart because the kids was up on my cart. So I'm standing there and I'm looking at them. I'm saying to myself, so I'm looking like, so what you gonna do? Are you gonna move your child? Because me personally, I would have been like, back up from off those people's cart. That's what I would have said. I would have told my child to back up. But anyway, so it irritated me. But my thing is, I have nothing against people that don't want to wear a mask. Just don't stand beside me. Just don't talk around me. Just don't cough around me. You know what I'm saying? Just certain things. I get it. You don't want to wear the mask. I understand it, but don't stand beside me. Plain and simple. Nice and simple, plain. I'm funny about that. Everybody knows me knows that I am funny when it comes to stuff like that. I don't get sick. I don't want to get sick. I'm not saying I can't get sick. I'm just saying I don't get sick. And if I do get sick, it's a sinus thing. And I'm telling you, please, I don't want nobody's juices near me. But anyway, y'all, that was my little rant. Because I was irritated. Like, I was in the beauty supply store and the same thing. There was a guy in there just talking and talking and talking. I'm saying, looking at him like, your droplets is flying everywhere. Don't nobody want your droplets on them. You walking around here, you talking. I'm like, and you're not buying anything. So why are you even in here? You know what I'm saying? Like, why are you even in here? You in here with your mom? Why are you in here? Like, what are you doing? The lady had to call the police. Y'all, it was a mess. So I said, you know what? Let me hear him get my stuff. But I said the other word. Up out of here and get my behind back in my car, because it's crazy. This is crazy, and we're not going to get rid of it as long as people are out here doing whatever it is that they want to do and not protecting others. So anyway, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here, and I may get back on like in the morning before I go to work, just so I could show you what I did purchase from Cosmo Pro and the beauty supply store. I just got some hair for a client, and a couple of things, some hair color that I needed for a client as well. But and I did want to show you one particular thing that I did buy. But anyway, I hope y'all have a good night, a good evening. I'm about to go in here and make me something to eat, and relax until it's time to go pick up my son, and then I have to be to work in the morning. So I will see y'all. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, turn that notification bell on. That way you know I uploaded the video. And I'm trying to upload more, y'all. I'm trying to record more. I'm trying to get myself out there, y'all. And I love y'all, and I thank y'all for looking out for your girl and subscribing to my channel. Y'all are the bomb, as I always say. But I thank y'all, and I hope y'all have a great evening.